How to create children's channel with this free AI tool. This tool is very free and it can actually help you create animation videos or animated videos or teaching videos for kids. Just watch this.
Hi, my name is Wokobuchi. I want you to join my class because in my class, we teach fun things, teach you how to animate videos.
This AI tool is 100% free and it's going to help you generate videos like that for you to be able to create children's channel or fun channel for YouTube, for TikTok, for Instagram, or for any other app, okay? Very easy. My name is Wokobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize your social media platform, how to edit videos, and how to work with every AI tool. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment the next AI tool you want me to teach you. Let's go, let me teach you how to do this animated videos or animation channels for free, okay? Let's go into the tutorial.
Okay, so on this one, you go to your browser or your app store and get to Adobe Express. That's the name, Adobe Express. You open your Adobe Express app. It's like this. Once you open your app, you register on your app. You can pay or for free, but this one I want to show you, you use it for free. You don't need to pay, okay? But if you want to use more tools on Adobe concerning different things, you pay for. But this particular AI that I want to show you is free. When I mean free, I mean free, okay? Now, register on this app. You can see registration is free. Register on the app. So when you're done registering on the app, you just swap here. You swap down until you get to see where I'm swapping. You see they say get started. Down under get started, you swap. Okay. Now when you swap, you get to where they say animated characters. You click on top of animated characters. When you click on top of animated characters, you wait for it to load. Now, yeah, you have these characters. You have all these characters here. Different characters, different images. Let's go through them and see. You can choose any of these characters you want, okay? Any of them that you want, you can choose. So, let's choose this. Let's see which one is good. Okay, let's choose this baby character here. When you choose this, you come here on character size. You click on your size, okay? So maybe you want either you want the YouTube size or you want the TikTok size, choosing which one you want, okay? When you choose on the site like that, you go to background. You can change the background if you want to any background that you want, right? So let's go to character, all types. We choose character. Why do I want to change the character though? You choose your character. Okay. I'll choose this character. Let me click up there. Sorry. Okay. Now let's go to size. We choose this size. That's the size I'll choose. Now when you're done choosing your size, right? Up here it says Instagram. Yeah, it's the Instagram size we choose. Now when you're done choosing your size, don't worry that it's not into the frame, okay? Just leave it the way it is. Once we are done recording, it will fall in place. It will fall in place. Now when you have your character, you come down here on where you see record, you click on record. So when you click on record, mind you, these are different sizes of cartoons you can choose, okay? These are different sizes. You come here, you choose different sizes, the size that you want. You can choose any size that you want. So you come here on record, you click on record. Now they'll ask you to allow Adobe Express to access your mic. So at the countdown of 3, you start recording. So this is me. I was actually recording here. So the real sound of the audio will not come out, of the video will not come out because I was recording, okay? And when you're recording, the screen recording cannot come out. So I was just recording an audio to make it get it. When you're done, you click on record. Now when you click on that, you wait. this is them generating this audio for you. Okay, you wait for some time. It takes a little time to generate, so let's just wait for it to generate. When it's done generating, you see they're done, and I'll show you how you can actually save it to your phone. Okay, so mind you can change these characters anytime you want to change them. You can use different voice, you can use baby voice, you can do you can use your kid's voice, or you can actually download voice online from 11 Labs or any other lab and use them for this tutorial. It's actually very, very easy. Like, this is one of the easiest cartoon AI app that you use for free for a long time to even get like 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minutes audio or 3 minutes cartoon talking without them flagging you or without you getting any copyright from YouTube. Yes, so while it's loading, let's just wait for a while. Okay, so when it's done recording, then I'll show you how to go about it. Sorry guys, it's taking long, but yeah, it's a tutorial and I can't do any other thing. We just need to wait. So it's almost done. That's it, just searching through. Now that's it. You can see I'll click on play. You will not hear it play, but you see the mouth moving. You already saw it from my first video anyways. So let's just wait. There it says it's uploading. So I'm waiting for it to upload, right? But while it uploads, I'll just click on the screen. So you see, that's the cartoon character talking and the mouth is shaking. The mouth moves the same way the audio moves. That's the most important thing. It moves the same way the audio moves. Okay, now when it's done uploading and you're satisfied with your audio, if you're not satisfied with your audio, you can redo it. But if you're satisfied with your audio, you just click there by the side on download, and this video goes to your file. It downloads to your phone file. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I just actually clicked and I was downloading, exporting the video to my audio file. It's now saved to my audio file. So when you're done doing all this, you're almost ready. So you can actually choose any, this app is very free. You can choose anyone you want to choose. You can come here and choose different characters. I was just showing you guys different characters, different sizes. You can choose. There are children characters, many characters from here that you can choose from and generate your voice. And yes, it will talk. So you can use a children's voice or you can use your own voice. It's okay, right? It's very much okay. Just click on record and go, and you have these ones on the wheelchair, which means if you want to do a fun play, you can do a fun play. You can take all these images and make them talk. Then you go to CapCut and align all them together. So if you want me to teach you how to go to CapCut and align them all together in a particular parlor or in a particular sitting room, comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.